I just wanted to show you what's going on in our new building. So this little vestibule will come down, and in place of this will be a big picture window up against the wall here. So we're going to move the entrance, but let me show you what's going on inside. So keep in mind this used to be a chiropractor office, lots of offices and a couple different halls. That was the reception area, and we'll go down the hall and I'll show you what's going on down here. So the guys have been in here working, taking off all the drywall and doors and trim. So all this area that you're seeing will be our sales floor area. So that's going to be pretty awesome. It's actually, it looks bigger, but it's about the same size as what we have now. So going in the back room, show you where our intake area is. All these walls that I'm walking through will be gone. That wall there with the file cabinets will be gone. So this area will become our intake area, and we'll have a separate entrance door that glare from the sun. You can't really see it, but that door there leads to the outside. But this will become our intake area with a separate entrance. And look, one of the workers found a tree with Christmas lights on it, so that probably helps them keep a little spirit. Anyway, that will be an office over there. We're going to keep that in a storage room. And so right in here, where this wall here will be our register area. So again, everything where I'm standing now and to the front of the store will be sales floor area. All these walls are going to come down. So anyway, keep watching for pictures and updates, and thanks for joining me.